Are you going to Disneyland Paris during its 30th birthday and you don't know what to expect? We got you. We made a complete guide on the 30th birthday in Disneyland Paris. This video will help you to prepare for your upcoming trip to Disneyland Paris during its 30th anniversary season. We're going to talk about entertainment, decoration, merchandise, and snack and dining options. Just for the 30th anniversary, Disneyland Paris has created a complete new show that will take in front of the completely renovated Sleeping Beauty's castle. The party starts by Mickey and his friends going down Main Street to the castle, to the hub. And that is where the party really starts. Mickey is accompanied by 33 Disney friends who you know from both the classics as the new and modern Disney movies. As a part of the celebration, Mickey and each of his friends have been given brand new costumes. These costumes are something you haven't seen before. There's so much fun with the holographic effect that plays with the lights. And Disneyland Paris has made a new song. This theme song captures the perfect message for this time and is a prospect for the future, which is hope and optimism. The theme song is called Un monde qui s'illumine. I hope I pronounced that right, which literally translates to a world that is illuminated. We also have the show Delight. It's a state-of-the-art show that has come to Disneyland Paris where emotion and technology come together. Months of work has gone into this special pre-show. This spectacle show shows a lot of color and light with a modern twist. Disney's Delight is a magical moment before the fireworks Disney illuminations. To make the show even more compelling, special music has been composed. Disney even went to Abbey Road in London for this, where 60 musicians have been working on the soundtrack. This show is extra special because it contains a very spectacular element that has never ever been seen before in the Disney parks. We know lasers, water fountains and projections on the castle, but there are also 200 drones that simulate the light in the sky at the end of the pre-show. Disney has done the test in Bordeaux with Dronisos, the drone company. These tests were conducted in complete secrecy. Main Street USA is decorated from head to toe in decoration especially for the 30th anniversary. The gazebo is in complete style of the birthday of Disneyland Paris. And have you seen the entrance of the park with the rotating elements? It's so cool. And even if you walk a little further into the park, you'll see the most amazing details. Take a look at the lamppost, for example. These decorations are very similar to the entrance, but a miniature. Decorations are very important to the Disney parks every time during every birthday. For this celebration, Disneyland Paris, a creative approach has been chosen with rotating artworks of well-known Disney characters. For example, you'll see the Disney princesses, also Baymax, Stitch, various villains, and Sisu from Raya, and the Last Dragon, and so much more. And these can all be admired in Central Plaza. And not only the decorations are very important in Disneyland Paris, also the merchandise, and we are so happy that Disneyland Paris finally decided to join our crazy fan community and provide us with the best and coolest merchandise for the 30th anniversary. The merchandise can be divided into 3 unofficial categories. First of all, you have the gold, more luxury category, including gold with black ears, mini ears with sequins, champagne glasses and luxury handbags. The second category is more playful and the colors are more popping in the 30th anniversary color scheme with more purple, blue and pink and white. And if we have to believe social media, this is the most popular and famous category because these are the mini ears that belong to them. You also have a really popular lounge flyback that has been sold out in under like 2 or 3 hours the day that it came by. So it's really popular. And it's included with a holographic effect, which is really, really cool. The last category is a more playful, colorful, with more blue and pink, including Mickey and Minnie hugs, a gray cap with the number 30, and a fanny pack. Finally, the well-known clothing designer Stella McCartney has designed a pantsuit especially for Minnie. This contains of a dark blue with black dot pattern. Clothing featuring Minnie in this pantsuit was only available on the International Women's Day, which is a bit of a shame because it looked really, really cool. But Stella McCartney is still designing for Disneyland Paris in some kind of Fantasia line that still has to be launched, which is predicted to be in the spring of 2022, which is as this video is being uploaded right now. Which is cool. I can't wait to see it. A new season means new snacks and dining options. We selected our favorite ones just for you in this video based on flavor, texture, on everything else. And we also have made a special video where we tasted everything. So check that out as well if you want to know every snack Disneyland Paris is selling during the 30th anniversary. Disneyland Paris is always fun when you have the different seasons, and the 30th anniversary isn't anything else. What do you like the most about the 30th anniversary? What are you most looking forward to? Comment it down below in the comments or let us know on social media. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Magical Vacation Guide, and we love to see you for another video. If you want more information, check out all our other YouTube videos or go to our website, which is linked down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you next time. Bye bye.
The chicken made us. Then choose your 5 long.